Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a Dollar Tree Easter decor. If you want to learn how to make this, please keep watching. Some of the items you'll need, you can find all of this stuff at the Dollar Tree. You're gonna need your plastic bunny, your floral moss, reindeer moss, floral foam, and a floral pot. You're also gonna need some ribbon of your choice. I also picked up these items at the Dollar Tree. I didn't use everything on this picture to decorate, but I did use the eggs, the carrots, and the lavender picks. However, you can choose anything to decorate your floral pot. So we're gonna start working with our reindeer moss. I have a shoe box here. You can use any box you want, but I find that it helps because it can get a little messy. So what you want to do is just put your moss inside the box and start pulling it apart, breaking it down. It also helps if you get scissors and carefully cut it down. I find that it's easier to work with the moss once it's cut down. You just want to keep working with your moss until you get it to where you want. Okay, so next you're going to want to take your bunny, and now we're going to begin gluing the moss onto it. So you're just going to start by putting glue around the bunny. You're going to want to work in sections and kind of fast because the glue will dry quickly. So once you're done putting glue, you're going to take some moss and carefully put it on top. Remember, it is hot glue, so you can burn yourself. So you're going to want to continue carefully pressing the moss into the glue. So we're just going to continue working by sections. You just want to make sure you put enough glue so that the moss can adhere really good. You want to make sure that you put enough glue around the edges, and then just keep adding more glue where you see any bald spots, and keep putting moss over the glue by pressing down. I did find that it was better if I put moss at the bottom and then lay the bunny on top of it. As you're gluing the moss, you want to make sure that you just keep the shape of the bunny. So you're going to want to continue repeating all these steps until your bunny is completely covered with moss. Once you have your bunny covered with moss, you're going to want to go ahead and start patching those blue spots you see. One tip I would suggest is painting the bunny green beforehand. That way you don't have so much of the blue peeking through, and that way it can blend in with the moss. So you're going to want to take some scissors and start trimming around your bunny, giving it its shape back. You're going to go ahead and give it a cute haircut. Just want to go ahead and keep doing that throughout the whole bunny, making sure that you get any pieces that are bunched up, and trimming wherever you feel it's necessary. Next, you're going to want to take your floral pot and some of your floral foam. I used 2, and you're going to want to put it towards the center. Next, you're going to take your moss bunny and insert it into the floral foam. I did push my foams back a little bit because I wanted more room in the front to be able to decorate my flower pot. So you're just going to want to keep pushing your bunny into the foam and add glue to it to secure it. Next, you're going to want to pick up your bunny and add glue to the bottom of the foam. You want to make sure you add a generous amount so that it can adhere well to the pot, and that way it doesn't come apart. Once you add your glue, you're going to want to place it back into the pot. Make sure it's centered and hold it down until it dries. Next, you're going to want to take some rocks of any kind. I got them at the Dollar Tree as well. You want to have a sturdy base so that way it's not so flimsy. Then you're going to take your floral moss and add it around the pot. Make sure you cover all the rocks, the foam, and just keep doing that until you achieve your desired look. Now we're going to start decorating our floral pot. I went ahead and chose the lavender picks, these cute Easter eggs, and some carrots. There was a lot of great choices at the Dollar Tree, but these were my favorite. So you're just going to go ahead and arrange it to the look that you'd like. So I decided last minute to decorate my floral pot. I picked up this cute twine ribbon at Michael's. I would suggest, if you want to do this, that you decorate your pot before you add anything to it. It just makes it easier. So you're going to want to take your glue gun and then just put glue around the rim of the pot and carefully glue your ribbon to it, and you want to work by sections. I'm glad I decided to add the ribbon to it. I just think it makes it complete and gives it a finished look. Next, you're going to make your bow. I do apologize that I recorded myself doing that, but once it's done, you're going to want to glue it to the middle of your bunny. Make sure you add enough glue and press it down until it dries. So that is it for our Dollar Tree Easter decor. It was so much fun making it, super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!